morning, students. Hearty welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Online Class. Class 1, Subject EVS. Chapter 1, our delicious food. Last class, we have seen the topic Importance of Food. We understood that food is very essential for us to live. Today, we are going to see the topic Our Food. What is meant by our food? Our food is a combination of variety of food items that we are eating. So if you take a single food item, it comprises of variety of items included in that. So our food, that which we are eating for a day, for our breakfast, for our meal and for our dinner. So if you take as a breakfast, what all varieties of food you are eating for a day? Is idli, dosa, chapati, etc. Similarly, for your meal, it is a rice, vegetables, pulses, cereals, grains, etc. Along with the fish, meat, egg, etc. Yes? And for your dinner, it is again a variety of idli, dosa, buri, chapati, etc. And in between your meal, for your breakfast and for your lunch, you will be having fruits. Similarly, in between lunch and for your dinner, you will be eating some items like nuts and snacks, etc. So, if you take as this single day, the food that you are eating comprises of many food items. That is called as our food. So our food, it is a combination of milk, meat, fish, eggs, fruits, vegetables, flowers, grains, nuts, oils and ghee. So let me give you a clear explanation regarding grains. So if you take as a grains is nothing but it is the combination of cereals and pulses. So this both cereals and pulses comes under grains. Cereals is nothing but rice, wheat, ragi, corn. Similarly, pulses, it comprises of whole and split grams. So it may be of whole, full grams and split, that is a partial part of a gram, half of the whole gram. So example, pigeon pea, green gram, black gram, chickpea. These are the pulses. So cereals, pulses, flowers. Flowers includes cauliflower, plantain flower. What is that plantain flower? Simple. Vaalepu. And also fruits. Fruits includes all our fruits item like apple, orange, mango, banana, etc. Vegetables. Vegetables that we are including for our lunch. Cabbage, spinach, carrot, beetroot, etc. And egg, fish, milk, meat. Also oil we are including for our food item. Ghee, butter, then nuts like cashew nut, almonds, raisins, all this, groundnuts, these all are the foods that we are eating for a day. So the food that we are eating for a day is a combination of all this variety of food items. Okay, now let us go to the next topic, water. You all know that food is very essential for us to live. Similarly, water is very essential for our body to be healthy. So if you need your body to be healthy, you need to drink a water more. So we must drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water a day. So for a single day, you have to drink 6 to 8 glasses. Students, I hope from today onwards you will drink lot of water, and also you will include fruits, vegetables, nuts, all these healthy food items for your eating. Okay. Now we will go to the next topic, a variety of dishes. What is mean by a variety of dishes? That is a different kinds of dishes. Different. The dish which is unique. It is not same. So if you eat a dish that is not of same type. If you eat idli for the morning, for the night, that is for your dinner, you will be having chapati. So idli or dosa, it is made up of rice, whereas chapati or buri, it is made up of wheat. So that dish and this dish is entirely different, which is unique. So each and every dish we eat is unique in taste. It is not of same taste. Whether chapati and idli is of same taste? No, it is of different taste. So the dishes are made up of one or more ingredients. That is, if you take a single dish, for example, ragi porridge, raikul. If you take, it is not of a single variety made. It is of two things. Rice is included in that and ragi is also included in that. So it comprises of two ingredients. This is called as variety of dish. The dish that is made up of two or more ingredient. Okay. Now let me ask you a question. So if you take a rice, you all know rice very well, yes? So let us consider rice. So just tell me that how many varieties of dishes you can make from the single rice. Let me give you 1 minute. All of you think about it. Tell me the variety of dishes that is made from rice. Hope you all guess the answer. Yes, it is kolukattai, battal, puttu, idli, rice, soru, kanji, appam. So these are the varieties of dishes made from the same ingredient called rice. Similarly, all of you think for wheat. Everybody will easily guess chapati, buri, even wheat dosa we used to eat. Yes, bread, wheat bread, all this. Yes, very good. Now, fish. From fish, what all varieties of fish items we can make from fish? Fish fry, fish puttu, fish curry. Yes, all these items are made from fish. Okay. Now let me ask you a question. What are the things that add taste to our food? If you didn't add these food items, the food will not taste good. What are those food items? What are those things? Yes, it is salt. Without salt, you will say it is saltless. Yes, salt is very less in this food item. You have added more salt. So you can easily guess that salt taste. Similarly, sugar. Sugar is very less. You have to add more sugar, or sugar is more. So you have to reduce that. So sugar also gives taste to that food item. And spices. What are those spices? Yes, very good. All spices is nothing but spices are those things which add taste to the food. Yes, like red chili, green chili, yes, then cinnamon, cardamom, or bay leaves, all this. Those spices add taste to the food. So, salt, sugar, spices, these add taste to the food. So, students, you all should be clear that there are variety of food items we are eating in a day. Okay. Today's homework. Write the food item that you eat for a day. For your breakfast, what you are eating. For your lunch. For your dinner. Also write your snack, like fruits you may be eating in between, nuts, yes, and the water quantity that you are drinking for a day. Yes, so also you have to write the ingredients from which the food item is made. For example, if you are eating idli for the morning, so you have to write rice is the ingredient used to make idli. Yes, for a meal. For a meal, what all items you are eating? That is pulses, cereals, anything will be including in that, and vegetables. Yes, so what all things you are adding to your meal, the ingredients also you have to write. This is your homework. Students, hope you all understood today's topic. our food and variety of dishes. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.